I am back with you guys with another video today, another hair review, a wig review with this wig that I have on my head. First, I want to say thank you and shout out to ReadyWig and Henry for reaching out to me and wanting to review a wig from their site. This is what their packaging looks like when I got it in the mail. It came pretty quickly, and it also came with a wig cap, of course, a little spray bottle. I don't have it, but it was like a little pink spray bottle, and then of course a thank you and hair care card.
Hey guys, so you can see here I'm brushing out the wig really quick, but I just wanted to show you guys the wig off my head, and to also show you the wig construction and the lace. That's what I'm going to show you guys here in a second. So as you can see, it comes with 3 combs sewn onto a wig cap or whatever that is. It also comes with 2 adjustable straps. And yeah, you see the body of the wig, the color. I really love this wig, guys. It's like super pretty on. And you can see here that I'm about to put it on the wig head really quick. See here, I got it on the wig head. And yeah, sorry for how I look too, guys. I look a mess, but
just look at, you know what I'm saying? It's nice. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look for it to be a synthetic wig. Yeah, it's very nice. I like it. I love it. I wasn't feeling the color at first. I know if you're looking at it on camera, you might think that this is gray or something, but this is like, it's like an ash blonde. But I will definitely, of course, have all the details down in the description box. Y'all know I will. Y'all know I always do have the details down in the description box for you. But it's like a ash blonde. Like, you see that, guys? Oh, the color is very nice. I will say that the color is really nice. This company, like, I see they have quality wigs, and they also do have other things such as bundles, human hair, and things of that nature. So you guys should go check them out, because I can tell you they have top quality products on their hand. Just to talk about the little details before I let you ladies go. Of course, the cap construction, it comes normal comb here. It does actually have a comb in the neck area. Plus, like, that's what I'm saying, y'all. 10 out of 10. Like, it has a comb in the back, and a lot of these synthetic lace front wigs only come with the combs up here and then like where the lace stops. But I love that this one has a comb back here. Like, oh my god, I'm loving it. I'm really liking this wig. So just if you are a continuous watcher, subscriber to my channel, let me know. Let me know down in the comments. Now, let me know down in the comments if you want me to do that, okay?